So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in virus and threat protection. Click on it and then click on scan options. If I was you, I would check for malware, so I'll probably run a full scan. So click on full scan and then click on scan now. Just let this run in the background. As it's running, we're going to do the other methods in the video. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in startup apps. Click on it. Now once we're here, if you see any weird applications that you don't recognize, then just turn it off to prevent it from starting automatically once your computer turns on. For the next method, go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next method, go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. Once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. Once that's been done, you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Once that's been done, see if that fixes your problem. You also want to wait for your full scan to be completed. Once that's been done, see if that works.